Welcome to the day 2 of the series where I'm solving Geek for Geeks daily problems. So today we have this is the second problem that I'm solving on YouTube. So the problem name is find duplicates in an array. I'll just go through the statement quickly. Given an array A of size n which contains element from 0 to n minus 1, you need to find all the elements occurring more than once in the given array. Return answer in ascending order if no such element is found, that is if return list containing minus 1. The extra space, okay, that is fine. Then here if we see array is equal to 0 1 0 3 1 2, and we don't have any repeating, that is why it is returning minus 1. And if we have more than one, then it needs in an ascending order, it is saying, right? Yes, so it needs ascending order. So what I'm thinking is let's create, probably we'll need two additional array. So one is scan, where we will be putting all the elements that we read, and then one more array where we will be putting output, and probably then we will sort that one. I'm not sure how the time complexity is going to work. It is definitely not going to work. Let's try. So I have a scanned one, and then answer array. And what I can do is for I in range of n, if arr I not in scanned, then we will put it in scanned. Else, then we can just write ans dot add arr of I. Hmm. Now the thing is we have to sort it. Okay, I think this should be append, not add. Now the thing is sorting. Not sure if we should go through entire answer array and then sort it. Definitely, if we do the sort, then this time complexity is going to be higher. Okay, let me first do one thing. Let's just return answer. Let's see what it gives. Ah, okay. If answer is blank, oops, equal to blank, then answer equal to minus 1, and we can sort it. I mean, yeah, definitely we should not do, but let's try. Okay, this is cool. This one is fine. What about the scenario where, okay, so this one, this is 5, and now let's try. It is working. Now the only thing is if the time complexity works. Oh, it is saying wrong answer, and that too at first test case. Ye- Uh, okay. Else, if era of I not in answer. A, it should be else. If. Okay, let's try submitting one more time. It is definitely going to hit time limit exceeded. Now, the optimization part. I think we need to optimize it with respect to salt. And what is happening is you are scanned this not in and in. This is going to cause some issue. So I'm thinking what can be done. I think we will have to use a dictionary instead of doing like this. So let's try the another approach that I was thinking, but I was avoiding using dictionary because I mean I don't have like I don't know most of the function in dictionary. I don't have that much hands on it. So let's try frequency as a dictionary. How many things we get, and let me just copy it first just to be safe. Then we can just do same thing. Even that is not required. We can just do this thing. So iterating over each element, and then once we iterate, uh, frequency of ARR. Why I have written ARR of I. Why I'm doing this? Why can't I just use say num in ARR instead of doing this ARR equal to frequency of oh sorry frequency of get. So we can get this, that is num comma, let's have it 0 if we don't find it, plus 1. So if we have it then fine, if we don't have it then we can just do it will just return 0. Then once we do it we will get all the things in. So this is going to iterate over the array once, and then we will get frequency of each individual element. And now we will actually work on answer part. So answer equal to, let's have empty array, and then we can iterate our frequency. So let's for again, so let's take key value pair in frequency. It is going to iterate over this. Then if frequency of key B pair is greater than 1. So here what we are doing is we are going to use this key to get key value pair. If the sorry the value, if the value is greater than 1, then what we can do is we can just append it into answer. So answer dot append, that is our KVP. Oh sorry, KVP. Actually it should be key, not even, it's not pair, no, so it should be key. Just writing it key, and at the end, again, instead of writing sort, I'm just going to write sort. Now we have to handle the blank scenario. That is, if answer is equal to blank, then minus colon return minus 1, then return this. Let's try this one. Key. Again, I'm getting something. Frequency is not defined. Ah, okay. FRQ, FRQ, FRQ. One more issue. One more issue. Unhashable type list. Very good. It is working with this one. Then let's try a few more things. What we can do is, if we have this and set to, your output is -1, expected output is 0, 1. Output difference is 0, 1. So something is definitely wrong. Why? There is nothing that is repeating here. How it is saying 0 and 1? Ah, strange. Oh, what is wrong? Why replace control Z? Here it is working. Let's try submitting it. And it worked. Great. Okay, then see you tomorrow. Thank you.